Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on vehicles of all types. Whether it's cars, trucks, or tractors, we are dedicated to providing you with detailed information to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford 9630 tractor, a machine built to deliver power, performance, and reliability for heavy-duty agricultural tasks. The Ford 9630 is a beast when it comes to tackling large-scale farming operations. Designed with farmers in mind, this tractor offers a combination of rugged durability and advanced technology. Starting with its engine, the Ford 9630 is equipped with a robust powertrain capable of producing impressive horsepower. This ensures it can handle the toughest jobs with ease, whether it's plowing, tilling, or hauling. The enhanced fuel efficiency is another highlight, allowing operators to get more work done with fewer refueling stops, making it an economical choice for long hours in the field. One of the standout features of the 9630 is its comfort-focused design. The cabin is spacious and equipped with modern amenities, ensuring that operators can work for extended periods without fatigue. From an ergonomic seat to advanced climate control and an intuitive control panel, every detail inside the cabin has been thoughtfully designed to enhance productivity. The visibility from the driver's seat is exceptional, providing a clear view of the surroundings, which is crucial for precise operations. Ford has also integrated cutting-edge technology into the 2025 model. The tractor comes with advanced GPS guidance systems and precision farming tools, making it easier to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. These features allow farmers to automate certain tasks, ensuring consistency and saving valuable time. Additionally, the connectivity options enable real-time data monitoring, so operators can stay informed about the tractor's performance and make adjustments as needed. Durability is another key factor that sets the Ford 9630 apart. Built with high-quality materials, this tractor is designed to withstand the rigors of daily agricultural use. The heavy-duty axles and reinforced frame ensure stability and longevity, even under challenging conditions. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to easy access to key components, which helps reduce downtime and keep the tractor running smoothly throughout the season. Safety is also a top priority for Ford, and the 9630 reflects this commitment. The tractor is equipped with advanced braking systems, enhanced lighting for nighttime operations, and a rollover protection structure to ensure operator safety in all conditions. These features, combined with the overall reliability of the machine, make it a dependable partner for farmers looking to streamline their operations. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford 9630 tractor is a remarkable piece of machinery that combines power, comfort, technology, and durability. It's designed to meet the demands of modern farming while offering a user-friendly experience. Whether you're managing a large farm or tackling specialized tasks, this tractor delivers on all fronts. Thank you for watching this review on Automotive Reviews TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more detailed reviews, specs, and insights on vehicles that matter to you. See you in the next video.